Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete Instagram suggested search when typing. It's very simple. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to open Instagram on your mobile. Once you are in, you need to click on your profile, which is found at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. And then click on the 3-line icon found here. Now, the next step is to click on your activity. You'll see the option for your activity here. Go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down, and you'll find account history below it. Click on recent searches. These are my recent searches on Instagram. All you need to do is clear this off. Once this is cleared, you have successfully deleted Instagram suggested search when typing. Now, the next way to do this is to go to your profile again, and click on the 3-line icon again. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, and you'll see Help. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on Reported Problem. Again tap on Report a Problem. And then click on the Include and Continue. And then tell Instagram what you want them to do for you. In my case, I'll type "Please delete suggested search when typing on Instagram." When you type this, click on Send at the top right corner. Your report has been sent to Instagram successfully. And Instagram will give you feedback. And there you have it. That's how you delete Instagram suggested search when typing. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.